Hi friends, it's me, Aunt Trey Trey. I'm here today with my friend Samantha Snake, and she wants to say hello to you today. I'm so happy that you came back to play wordplay. Today we are going to listen to some sounds, and I'll tell you a little story. Let's get ready. Let's start with some sounds. Can you say s, s? And can you say f, f? Can you feel your teeth on your lip when you say f? Next, b, b. Put your lips together. B, b. Now, let's listen to our vowels. I, as in igloo. A, as in apple. Let's say them together. I, igloo. A, apple. Let's say some more. S, f, b, I, a. Let's say those again. S, f, b, I, a. When we hear sounds, we can also see them. This is S. It says s, sun. This is F. It says f, fish. This is B. It says b, bat. This is I. It says I, igloo. This is A. It says a, apple. Now your brain is learning to match sounds and letters. It's story time. Are you ready? Sam woke up early one morning. The sun was just coming up in the sky, soft and pink. Sam jumped out of bed. Today's the day, he said. Sam and his dad Bob were going fishing. Bob packed the fishing bag. He put in snacks, bottles of water, and a big blue hat. Are you ready, Sam? Sam smiled. Let's go, he said. They drove to the lake. The water was still and shiny. Birds were singing. Sam sat on a big rock by the water. Bob showed him how to hold the fishing rod. Be patient, Bob said. Fishing takes time. Sam watched the line. He waited and he waited. Then all of a sudden, he felt a tug. Dad, I feel something, Sam said. Bob laughed. Pull it in, Sam, pull it in. Sam pulled and up came a small fish on the end of his line. It splashed and flipped. Sam laughed so hard he almost fell in the water. It's not big, said Sam, but it's my fish. Bob put his arm around Sam. I'm so proud of you, son, your very first fish. They sat by the water and they talked and they laughed. And when the sun was high in the sky, they packed up and went home. Sam felt so happy. It was a really good day. Now let's say some words from our story. Sam, sat, big, fish. Did you hear the sounds? S, f, b, a, I. Your ears are really working hard. Now it's your turn to do something. Take your finger and let's write the letter S in the air. Say S while you write that. Now write F in the air. Say F while you write it. Can you feel your teeth on your lip? If you have paper, you can write S and F and say the sounds S and F while you write them. You're learning to read and spell. Thank you for playing wordplay with me today. I'll see you next time for more sounds and stories. Bye, friends. Say bye, Samantha.